Welcome back, folks. Today we're revealing a secret to earn $495 in just 3 hours. Intrigued, aren't you? Here's what you need to do. Dive into the world of local businesses through Google Maps. Restaurants, salons, cafes, they're all ripe for the picking. Next, gather some business info like names, addresses, and contact details. Now let's shift gears to ChatGPT. This AI tool is your ticket to effective email outreach and customer engagement. Draft a professional email introducing your services and send it to the businesses you've selected. When they respond, negotiate terms, pricing, and service scope. After sealing a deal, deliver your services, be it social media management or web design. And voila, in a few hours, you're $495 richer. This side hustle leverages the power of Google Maps and ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more side hustle tips. Until next time, happy hustling. And remember, we'll see you in the next video.